How to link your domain name to Zoho Mail account. I'm gonna guide you through the process on how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, head over to your preferred web browser. After you're in your browser, search for Zoho Mail Admin Console and navigate to its website. Now sign into your Zoho Mail account first. Provide your email address or your phone number. After that, enter your password and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you will see this kind of web interface. If you cannot view this content properly, you can turn on the desktop side option. So basically in this page, you can see all the options of plans that you can select from. For now, select this Try Now option for the free plan. Now you will be prompted to this page. From here, you have two different options, whether to add an existing domain or buy a new domain. So in order to link your existing domain, you need to tap on this Add Now button. Over here, you need to provide the domain name information. So provide your existing domain name, provide your organization name, and you can select the industry type. Once you fill out this information, you can scroll down and here you can see the Add Now button. Tap on it. If it is a valid domain name, it will be linked to your Zoho Mail account and you can continue with the further process. So that's a very easy process to link your domain name to your Zoho Mail account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.